Alright, I'm gonna make a few pins today. I'm gonna make some of these gear shift pins here from Penn State Industries. Plan on making 4 of them. We're gonna do it out of the ironwood, mesquite. I got a pepper tree that I've made into a hybrid, and we got some homemade acrylic here. We'll take all 4 of them. We're gonna cut them, drill them, tube them, and we'll turn them and finish them. Okay, these higher end tubes is already sanded and roughed up, so all you got to do is glue them and put it together. I like using this stick fast medium. Just want to put it on there pretty liberally. See if you can't feed it in from both ends. Then get you a little wooden dowel or something, just something you can shove it in and smear it around a little bit. Your countersunk on both ends, you're good to go. Go on to the next one. Yep, rain's starting to come down and getting this done just in time so I can head back to the house. Just turned February here in Louisiana, North Louisiana, so you never know if we're gonna get cold, we're gonna be hot, wear shorts, clothes, ice, rain, sunshine. This time of year is just pretty much up in the air. We get all 4 seasons in a week's time. So you just deal with it as God give it to us. I know if I was in control of the weather, I'd have everything all messed up. So it's a good thing He didn't put man in control of that, and He's got control of it. That one, a little bit. Okay, that's good. All right, all 4 of them's ready to go, and we'll come back later and we'll mill the ends and turn them. there is your desert ironwood, and this here is your mesquite. Oh, that's some pretty wood there. That's that California pepper tree. There's just one of them home poured acrylics. Alright, here we are getting ready to get it all together. I got 3 of them put together. I'm going to put this one from this pepper tree together. First thing you need to do, just hit both ends. Make sure you're down close to flush. You ain't got no ridges of your CA glue sticking out there. If you have a small little outline, that's fine, but you just don't want a big one. It'll throw your distances off. First thing, we'll drop this tip down in here. Next is your top piece. Now this has the same basic mechanism that your 30 caliber bullet pins have. It just has your gear shift right there. You can change and go halfway, and it just makes it look real neat for all the auto enthusiasts. But there's a screw down in there that holds that tight. It's always good practice just to reach in there. Just make sure it's snug, because if they didn't get it at the factory, once you do this next piece, you ain't going to get to it. And then you just line up the pin clip wherever, or the pocket clip, wherever you think is going to be attractive for somebody. Press it on. When you put on your spring here, you'll see that one side has a single wound and the other side is duals. This side here is big, will slip on and off. But if you put it on that way, it'll stay on. That's the way you want to have it. Stick it in there. Make sure everything comes out a good distance. And this just screw on. Now sometimes these top pieces is just an insert in there, and it's glued in there. And I have had quite a few times where that comes loose on assembly, and you just have to re-glue it. Once you're assembling, make sure everything's good for the customer whenever you either gift it to somebody or sell it to somebody. So here's all four of them. This is that California pepper tree with an acrylic inlay in the cracks. And then you have the 3 different colors. And that's a polyurethane acrylic that I poured myself. You have the desert ironwood. And I love that desert ironwood. It's just gorgeous to me. And you got mesquite. And that mesquite's another one of them that just has a real unique grain. Has a lot of little picky spots in it. Alright, there we go. Now, if you have any questions, just down below in the comment section, ask me a question. You got any comments, leave me a comment. But please like and subscribe to my page so I know who's been there. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.